Hey dear, welcome back to this channel. My name is Mato Ogo, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you an updated skincare routine. In the previous skincare video I shared with you products that I was using that helped in controlling the dark circles I had on my eye region and basically the texture of my skin. But hey, this is an updated version of that previous video, guys. I've been on the skincare splurge. I've been trying out so many products, and in the past 2 months these are the ones I've been stuck with that have been working for me, right? I'm almost exhausted on this product, so I quickly wanted to make a review of them before I go back to the store to get something else, because I mean, like I said earlier, I'm trying out several products and trying to see what really works and what doesn't work for my skin. So I'm just going to take you through the process on how I have been going about my latest skincare routine. So just hang on and keep watching. I usually start with is my facial wash. So I was using the Nivea facial wash and it wasn't really doing so much, because what I was very much particular about was controlling pimples and rashes that were coming up on my face. It became more frequent, so I needed something that would work very fast and quickly take it out of my face. So I opted for the Dudu Oshun, the black soap, native black soap, and guys, that thing worked wonders. I've been using it for like 2 weeks now, and guy, it has been doing so much for me and I'm stuck with it. I still use the facial wash, but I alternate it with the black soap. So I don't use the black soap all the time. I alternate it, like I use the black soap I think 2-3 times in a week, while the other days I just stick with my Nivea facial wash, and this has been doing me so much good on my face. So yeah. So after washing off my face, after having my bath, I go in directly with my facial toner that I use the Nivea 3-in-1 micellar water. I'm really close to a year now, because I know in my previous review I stated it there that I was really loving this 3-in-1 toner because it has been doing me so well. Like whenever I use that black soap, guys, if you have a very dry skin, then I don't know if it's gonna be the best thing for you, but it tends to dry out your face, squeeze out your face, make it very dehydrated and lacking moisture. So I go in with this toner to balance the pH of my face at this point, and also tone down the effect of the black soap on my face. And it's very soothing, if I must say, very soothing on my face. This is the first serum I'm actually going to be using. I noticed that the vitamin C serum made my face very soft, guys, very soft and succulent, guys. I felt my face literally felt like a baby's butt for the first time. It was so soft and so smooth. Like, I mean, on days when I don't have those rashes, but I really love the effect I got when using it. But I don't think it made so much difference, if I must say. I don't think it made so much difference, honestly, because I was not using the serum before. This is like the first time I'm trying out the serum, and I don't know if I'm going to be getting it again, but so far it did work. At first I was using the vitamin C serum alone at night, and I'll use the alpha arbutin serum in the morning, daytime, but it was not really doing so much, so I said combining the two of them. I don't know if that's the way it's supposed to be used, but I saw better results when I combined both of them. Yeah, so but as for getting it again, I don't think I may stick with this serum live, except as something very mind-blowing. But for now, I don't think it's so much of a necessity for my skin. Yeah. So after I go in with the serum. The next thing I use is my moisturizer, my facial moisturizer, guys. I love moisturizers. They're so sweet and the coolest thing ever. In fact, sometimes I don't even go through all this process, the toner, the blah blah blah. I just, after having my bath, I just use my moisturizer, my facial moisturizer and my body moisturizer, which is the Nivea product, of course, and I'm good to go. I just leave the house. I don't have to use all of this serum and plenty things. Maybe when I get back from work, I will just take my time and just do all of this long process. Really love moisturizers. The last time I made a review, I made a review on the Simple moisturizer, and I really love that product, guys. I really loved it. You know, I noticed that when I stopped using it and I got a different, this Nivea facial moisturizer, my face got darker. Like, it got really darker, obviously darker. I don't know if it was because I stopped using the Simple moisturizer and I switched to the Nivea moisturizer. So I was quite in doubt, so I just decided to mix up the Nivea moisturizer with the Zaron moisturizer, and it was fair. It was good. I mean, it gave me that balance, and I was not so scared again about getting darker on my face. So yeah, I just got stuck with mixing up the moisturizers, the Zaron moisturizer and then Nivea moisturizer, and so far it's not a bad idea though, but maybe at night I tend to use that Nivea moisturizer very much because of the SPF I saw in it, and because I was using the vitamin C serum, of course, I felt that I really needed enough of sunscreen on my face, you know, to avoid sunburn and all that. But yeah, apart from that, these are the things I observed while using this product. First of them would definitely be the facial wash, the Nivea facial wash. I'm not saying it's not good, but I didn't really see any notable change for my skin. So if this is off, if I'm off with this one, I'm not gonna consider it again. I'm so sorry. Yeah. And second on my list would definitely be the serum. Although I saw a notable change, but I don't think it's gonna be worth my investment anymore. Yeah, so I'll rather try out other products. Yeah. Last one I'm gonna be getting off my list would definitely be the Nivea facial moisturizer. I didn't get what I really wanted. Like, although it had the SPF, that's a plus, but I just felt it made my face darker than usual. So I'm not gonna get it. I'm not gonna be using it anymore. And I'd rather stick with the simple product, like the Simple moisturizer that I was using earlier on, and see how it goes from there. So with all that said, we've come to the end of this video. Kindly give this video a thumbs up down below if you enjoyed watching, and also please subscribe to the channel down below if you are yet to. And let me know in the comment section what products you are going to be trying out and what products you have used and what effect it gave on your skin. To the next video, stay beautiful and blessed. Bye guys.